Are you looking for the best portable air conditioner? In this video, we will look at some of the top portable air conditioners on the market. At number 1, we have the Winter ARC14S portable air conditioner. This modern-looking portable air conditioner from Winter looks very sleek in glossy black with white on the sides. The ARC14S portable air conditioner has 3 different modes you can choose from. Whether you want to air condition a room, suck the moisture out of the air, or just have a fan on, the choice is yours. This portable air conditioner has the ability to cool down a room of up to 500 square feet with optimal conditions. You are going to get a digital thermostat that you can adjust anywhere between 61 to 89 degrees Fahrenheit for complete control of your temperature. When you purchase the Winter ARC14S, you will also get additional accessories that include a 60-inch exhaust and intake hose, as well as a 46-inch window kit. You are also going to enjoy convenience as well, as it comes with a handy remote control for operating at a distance. At number 2, we have the LG LP0818WNR portable air conditioner. LG is well known for its electronics, and this powerful portable air conditioner comes in brilliant white that really stands out. If you are looking for a portable air conditioner for those smaller spaces, this offering from LG is going to be perfect as it conditions a space of up to 200 square feet. It also acts as a dehumidifier as well and will gather moisture out of the air at a rate of up to 1.27 kilograms per hour. To help with efficiency and getting rid of any hot areas in a room, the air discharge system will swing from side to side to ensure maximum coverage of your area. For your convenience, you are also going to get an easy-to-read LED display and a handy remote control as well. At number 3, we have the Honeywell MO08CE-SWK portable air conditioner. This ultra-efficient portable air conditioner from Honeywell comes looking great in 2 different color schemes. With this portable air conditioner, you also get the ability to use it as a fan or a dehumidifier. You are going to be getting an appliance that can do 3 things in one. This unit is going to be meant for smaller spaces and has the ability to cool a room anywhere from 250 to 350 square feet. The dehumidifier is able to pull up to 44 pints of water out of the air every day with the continuous drain option enabled. You are going to have the ability to also control your comfort level, as the thermostat can be programmed between 61 and 89 degrees Fahrenheit. It also comes with everything you need for installation with a window kit, as well as a very handy remote control. At number 4, we have the HomeLabs portable air conditioner. This portable air conditioner from HomeLabs comes in an all-white color scheme with a curved design. The HomeLabs portable air conditioner has a rating of 12,000 BTUs, which gives it the ability to cool a room upwards of 450 square feet. You are also going to get the choice to use this as a dehumidifier if you install the included drainage hose, and it will not expel heat into the room. Instead, it is going to use the exhaust hose to put the heat right out of the window. With this purchase, you are going to get a removable air filter that is easily washed by hand, as well as a remote control. HomeLabs has also put a lot of confidence in its product, as you are going to get a standard 2-year manufacturer's warranty. At number 5, we have the Black & Decker BPA CT08WT portable air conditioner. This efficient portable air conditioner from Black & Decker has a clean look in mostly white with gray on the vents and the logo. The portable air conditioner is rated at 8,000 BTUs, which is enough to cool rooms up to 800 square feet to a minimum of 65 degrees Fahrenheit. It is also ultra quiet and includes a sleep mode that will reduce the noise even more. Conditioning the air isn't the only thing this unit is able to do, as you can also use it as a portable fan and even as a dehumidifier. The dehumidifier utilizes the exhaust hose to give you the convenience of not needing a bucket or drainage hose. With your purchase, you are going to get everything you need for quick and easy installation. It comes with an exhaust hose and window adapter that can be installed and in use in under 10 minutes. At number 6, we have the SereneLife SLPAC8 portable air conditioner. This portable air conditioner from SereneLife comes in a fairly basic look with a white front with gray sides and accents. The SereneLife SLPAC8 is designed to be extremely lightweight and easy to get from room to room with the equipped wheels. It has a rating of 8,000 BTUs, which is enough to cool a room upwards of 215 square feet with ease. This makes it perfect for offices, bedrooms, dorm rooms, and more. To make this even more enticing, it comes with 2 extra modes, a fan and a dehumidifier. The dehumidifier will get the moisture out of the air at a rate of 1.2 liters per hour and will even act as a purifier as well. The included digital remote control is going to give you the ability to adjust things easily from across the room. At number 7, we have the Shinko Portable Air Conditioner. This offering from Shinko comes in white and gray, which is going to make it fit in with just about any room you choose. It is rated for 10,000 BTUs, which means you can air condition a room up to a maximum of 300 square feet under ideal conditions. This makes it the right choice for places like the bedroom or the office. The Shinko Portable Air Conditioner is a multifunctioning unit that not only cools the air, but it will also act as a fan and a dehumidifier. The dehumidifier can pull upwards of 75 pints of water out of the air every single day. This portable air conditioner is designed to be used and installed by anyone. It has an LED display with easy-to-use controls and a remote control. At number 8, we have the Causeway Portable Air Conditioner. This multifunctional appliance from Causeway comes in 4 different color choices to suit anyone's sense of style. With this Causeway portable air conditioner, you are going to get an included fan mode for when the air conditioner isn't needed, and it has 2 different speed settings. This portable air conditioner has a 10,000 BTU rating and can cool spaces upwards of 400 square feet. There are multiple modes to choose from with the air conditioner, which includes a sleep mode that makes the system even quieter so you can sleep peacefully without distraction. The temperature settings can be configured between 62.6 and 86 degrees Fahrenheit, and you can also choose to change the display to Celsius if you would prefer. With your purchase of the Causeway portable air conditioner, you will also have a remote control included that has a very wide radius. At number 9, we have the Midea EasyCool Portable Air Conditioner. This slick-looking portable air conditioner from Midea comes in an all-white finish with some gray highlights. The Midea EasyCool has a rating of 10,000 BTUs and is able to cool spaces up to 150 square feet with ease. Along with this, you can use the dehumidifier and fan functions all at the same time. Midea has designed this portable air conditioner to be easy to use by anyone. It features a bright LED display screen and digital controls that are very simple to read and operate. Along with this, you get a compact remote control that you can use to set everything, from the temperature to the timer and even the mode, from anywhere in the room. With everything you need to install it in the box, you will have no issues getting the 5-foot hose and window brackets in place. At number 10, we have the SereneLife Portable Air Conditioner. This uniquely designed portable air conditioner from SereneLife comes in an all-black finish with a white front and bright LED lighting. The SereneLife portable air conditioner is meant for personal use and is most efficient at a maximum distance of 6 feet. It uses cellar air coolant that will actually pull the air from the room around you and also blow out cold air simultaneously. This means that you have both an air conditioner and a dehumidifier working at the same time. SereneLife has ensured that you can take this personal air conditioner anywhere, as they have designed it to be ultra lightweight and also included an easy carry handle. If you are one of the many who are concerned about energy consumption, they have you covered. This portable air conditioner will consume about as much energy as a standard light bulb. So that sums up the top portable air conditioners. We hope you enjoy.